In this video, I'll be going over how to divide whole numbers by decimals. When dividing a whole number by decimals, we want to first check for the divisor, whether it's a decimal or whole number, and then we will use the power of 10 multiplication in order to complete the division. Here is an example. 425 divided by 0.5. So the first part, we're going to look at the divisor. You can see that the divisor is 0.5. So we'll write out like this. Now the second step is power of 10 multiplication. As we see here, the decimal point, since the divisor has a decimal point, we need to multiply it by power of 10. So when we multiply by power of 10, what we are doing is moving a space over. And when we do that for the divisor, we need to do the same here as well, inside. After we complete this portion, we're ready to divide. And now we will rewrite this as, and now we can complete the division. So 5 times 8 is 40. Subtract, we get 2. Bring down to 5. And 5 times 5 is 25. Then we get 0. And if we bring down to 0, we will have 0 here. And that's our answer. So 850 is the answer. Now what about this one? By looking at the divisor, we can see that there are 2 decimal points. So right off the bat, we could kind of see that we're gonna have to multiply this twice. So if we were to write out a division, we multiply 10 twice. And do the same here. And after we rewrite this, we have 9200 divided by 4. So we can complete a division by solving it. 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract, we get 1, bring down the 2. 4 times 3 is 12. So we get 0. Then we bring down the 0. So that will be 0. Bring down another 0 and another 0 up there. So our final answer is 2300. So these two are examples of how you would divide whole numbers by decimals. We also have other videos on division, and you can find them in the comment section of this video. Hope this is helpful, and thank you for watching.